So it's looking like this is the bus to Plovdiv. All right, my bag's in. Good morning, everybody. I'm officially in Bulgaria. I'm in a town called Plovdiv, and this is the hotel room that I'm staying in tonight. I have that bed, and then this big bed, which I've been so happy to have. And also, look, I saw these at breakfast and I couldn't eat them, but these look so good. Does anyone know what these are? It looks like a mix of like Nutella and some kind of like cream, but they look really good. Like this little lounging area, which I think is super cool, and I have these curtains so I can go out and look outside. I guess there's like a go-karting station right outside where I am. My hair is a mess and I haven't gotten ready for the day yet at all. All I've done is like woken up, grabbed some breakfast, realized I ate too much because I'm weighing in today and now I'm 0.1 over. So now I gotta figure out what to do with that extra 0.1. And the adventure has started. This is a little harder than I expected. I didn't realize I can't read anything on any of the signs. Here's my issue of my life. Which one's the water without gas? I wonder what animal these are. This? And what is this? What animal? Like a cow, a lamb, moo, ba.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Let's see what's out here. Look how cute my little balcony is. This is what Bulgaria looks like. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna give you a quick update. I have now checked in and weighed in. That took forever today. It was supposed to be over at 1 o'clock. I don't think I got weighed in until like 4:30 or no, 4 o'clock. That's when it was. And then I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the new weigh-ins rule, because this is the first tournament where I'm gonna have to do the, oh my god, there's a bee on my foot. Oh, what do I do? Ugh. Okay, we're gonna take the shoe off. Oh, look at that bee. Oh my god, I hate bees. But when you don't know what to do, post it on your Insta story. Okay, we're gonna be brave and look inside the shoe for this stupid bee. I don't see it. Maybe it's not in there anymore. I'm still on the bee situation, you know? This was supposed to be a nice little chat I had outside with you guys, but instead I'm still here panicking, trying to figure out how I'm gonna solve this, because there's no way I'm putting my shoe back on in case there's a bee in there. This bee isn't just a bee, because it would have flown away, right? This bee wouldn't fly away, it kept walking, which is how it got on my shoe. It couldn't fly, so that's why I still think it's in here. We're gonna use this flashlight and this pen to poke around inside the shoe and see if I can get the bee out if I start screaming. So we're gonna undo the laces. I'm still freaking out, guys. Oh, okay, wait. Where did he go? It's not that small. I'm so scared that I'm just gonna accidentally like run into him with my hands. No. Oh, I'm so scared. This is not fun. He's not here. Seriously? I've been freaked out about my shoe this entire time and there's not even a bee here? Is it on me? It is the worst thing that could have ever happened. Ah, he's there! He's totally there! What am I gonna do? He's totally in there. He's like hidden behind a crevice and he's, oh! Let's see if I can show you guys where that bee is at. Did he just go in there like to die, or what's up with him? Oh! This is like gonna make the bee angry, but I don't have a choice. What do you do when you get your bee? No, not my bee. Ah! Okay, he's out. Oh my god. Do you guys see him? I'm gonna zoom in. I hope you guys see him. Oh my god. I'm gonna open this door. Oh, he's out. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get such a hard time about this whole situation, but that was terrifying. I'm official. I got my credential. We will be fighting tomorrow. I have to be there at 7:30 in the morning to possibly do random weigh-ins. Okay, so the new weigh-ins rule, essentially how it works, is I weighed in today, the day before I fight, and then tomorrow, before the competition starts, we have a random weigh-in. So we all have to show up. A third of us will have to step on the scale again. Now for the random weigh-in, we have to be within 5% of our max weight for that weight class, which for me is 46 kilos. I weighed in today at 45.8 kilos. So tomorrow I have until 48.3 kilos to go up. I'm gonna pull out my scale here and just check. I drank a whole bottle of water. I had this yogurt drink. I had some potatoes, and I had a lot of pita bread. And those were just kind of snacks so that I don't go ahead and get full right after weigh-ins. But now what I'm gonna do is check my weight and then go find a restaurant and get a proper meal for tonight. This is my room. And then through here, say hi, Matthew.
Hey everyone.
This is who I'm staying with. This is Matthew, who has a YouTube channel. Tell him about it.
It's Old Orange BMW.
That's your Instagram.
Right.
What's your YouTube channel? Is it the same thing?
Actually, I think it is.
Alright, check.
Obviously, I use it so much.
This is Matthew's friend. This is Kyle. It's his first time out of the country, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you loving your international trip?
It's been fun.
What countries have you been to?
Austria, Germany, Poland, Bulgaria now, Belgium, Czech Republic.
It's a lot of countries.
Yeah, I think that's it.
I haven't been to that many countries this trip. Okay, so now I've decided to go off and explore a little bit. I want to try Bulgarian food, but apparently there isn't any around here. So I'm gonna just look for a random restaurant. I found one that I'm like walking in the general direction to, and it's Greek. So if I don't find anything else along the way, I think that's what we're doing tonight. I think this is where we're eating tonight. I'm here with Jack and Ara, and we're waiting for like the random weigh-ins. Jack thinks it's like the Hunger Games. So I walked everywhere and I couldn't find any place open, so this is breakfast today. We have a weird croissant thing, an aloe water, a banana, and these. So I have about an hour and a half until my match. I'm number 318, and they are currently on like 308, 309, so I'm about to get changed and start getting ready and warmed up. Absolutely exhausted. Feeling up, have this really interesting chicken sandwich. Got some more water, so I'm gonna rest and refuel. We do have a lunch break before my second match, and I'm fighting Bulgaria next. So it should be good. I just really need to get some rest. I will see you guys after the next fight. It's medal time!
The medals are so small.
Yeah, I know. Yay, go Jack. Look how happy Jack looks. So I'm walking back home from the tournament. As you guys can tell, I got bronze, and super mixed feelings about this. But I'm walking back to the Airbnb. Pretty much the plan is to go home and then have a talk with you guys about like everything about this tournament and about Taekwondo and about life. So that pretty much concludes my trip to Bulgaria. The next day I took a bus, a train, and a taxi, and was on my way back to the airport to take a plane to my next destination.